Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is roof line. Today we will learn the formation of letter H. First we will learn the formation of small h. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Go up, touch the fence line, make a curve, come down straight, touch the grass line and make a loop. Try again, kids.
No. Let's go play house. Let's go play house.
Well done! Now we will learn the formation of capital H. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Now once again, put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Now put your pencil on the fence line and connect both of the straight lines.
Let's go play house.
Try again. Bravo! You did great. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.